Welcome to Go To Product. Today, I bring you a comparison of the top 5 laser engraver machine on Amazon, and I'll share my personal opinion on each. Want to know which one is the best? Follow along and find out. At the end of the video, you'll see the final ranking with scores for each model. In the video description, you'll find purchase links if you're interested in any of these laser engraver machine. Let's get started. The first, Creality Laser Falcon, is a powerful and efficient tool with a 10-watt output and a total machine power of 72,000 milliwatts. It is designed to cut a variety of materials, including a 5mm basswood board or a 3mm black acrylic sheet, all in a single pass. The machine can operate at impressive speeds, reaching up to 10,000 millimeters per minute, making it ideal for users who need quick and precise cuts. Additionally, this laser engraver works seamlessly on an array of materials such as paper, wood, leather, plastic, dark acrylic, and can engrave on various surfaces, including metals, glass, and more, providing versatility and functionality for diverse projects. The device boasts a robust structure made entirely of aluminum alloy, coupled with a steel shaft wheel guide rail design, ensuring durability and stability. It is also equipped with a strong belt tension adjustment device and features a super fine spot focus of 0.06 by 0.06 millimeters. This allows for highly precise cutting and engraving, maintaining an accuracy controlled within 0.004 inches, while the repositioning accuracy is less than 0.007 inches. Such precision makes it an excellent choice for intricate designs and detailed projects. Safety is also a priority with the Creality cutter and engraver machine, as it comes with an anti-UV acrylic filter on the laser module that effectively blocks 97% of ultraviolet rays, providing essential protection for the user's eyes and for those nearby. The second, Longer Ray 5, is a highly capable and versatile cutting machine with a powerful output of 20,000 milliwatts. It is classified as a Class II laser and is designed to cut through a wide range of materials with ease. The machine can cut through 15mm pine wood, 0.05mm stainless steel, and 8mm acrylic in just one pass. For thicker materials, such as 25mm wood or 35mm acrylic, the machine can make multiple passes to achieve a precise cut. This makes it a practical choice for both detailed and robust cutting tasks. Equipped with an upgraded 32-bit motherboard, the Ray 5 ensures smooth, stable, and reliable performance during operation. Its advanced built-in 256-bit color palette, along with an ultrafine compression spot of 0.08 by 0.1 millimeters, allows for incredibly detailed engravings with high contrast and multicolor effects. These features make it suitable for producing intricate designs and creative projects that require precise attention to detail. The machine also features a 3.5-inch color touchscreen that enables users to easily monitor the progress of engraving, adjust the speed, and perform other essential functions directly from the screen. Additionally, it offers 4 convenient connection methods, including USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and mobile application, ensuring broad compatibility with professional engraving software such as Laser GRBL and Lightburn. This connectivity flexibility allows users to manage their projects seamlessly and efficiently. The third, Creality Laser Falcon 2, is a highly efficient laser engraver with a powerful 22-watt output, classified as a Class 4 laser. It offers a fast engraving speed of up to 25,000 millimeters per minute, making it an ideal tool for small business ventures or personal projects. This machine enables quick batch engraving and cutting, which is perfect for creating on-site customized gifts, personalized memorial items, and more. With a machine power of 120 watts, it delivers high precision in engraving and cutting, capable of cutting through 15mm wood or 10mm black acrylic in a single pass. This makes it a versatile tool for woodworking, wood burning, customized home decor, and jewelry making, where solid cutting performance is essential. The Falcon 2 is equipped with an integrated air assist feature, which ensures smooth, clean lines and complete patterns by quickly reducing the material's surface temperature. This prevents distortion and discoloration caused by heat, and effectively removes smoke and debris, maintaining stable laser energy throughout the process. Additionally, it comes with the Creality Rotary Kit Pro, a 4-in-1 laser rotary roller that can handle objects of various shapes. Its adjustable jaws accommodate different needs, whether clamping cylindrical objects, supporting items from the inside, or using the hex stud for spheres or ring-shaped items. Designed for high productivity, this laser engraver provides 22,000 milliwatts of output power and can cut through 12mm wood boards or 3mm black acrylic in one pass, operating at speeds of up to 10,000 millimeters per minute. The fourth, LaserPecker LP1 Pro, is a compact and portable laser engraver, weighing just 190 grams and measuring 2.56 by 2.4 by 2.09 inches, making it easy to carry and store. Its small size allows it to fit comfortably in your hand or backpack, and it can be powered via USB from any 5-volt, 2-amp source, such as a power bank, enabling users to engrave anywhere, anytime. Despite its compact design, the device features a precise violet laser with an accuracy of 0.15 mm, ensuring clear and detailed engravings. The LP1 Pro prioritizes user safety, equipped with goggles, a password lock, motion detection, a laser indicator, and an automatic shutdown to prevent overheating, making it a secure and user-friendly device. Setting up the LaserPecker LP1 Pro is simple and straightforward. Users can easily connect the device to their mobile phone via Bluetooth using the dedicated application. By maintaining a laser distance of 20 centimeters, it can create engravings up to 4 by 4 inches. The device supports various design options, allowing users to upload images, enter text, or import G-code files, making it ideal for personalizing items like wallets, notebooks, and phone cases. However, it is best suited for smaller engraving projects rather than large-scale tasks. The LP1 Pro is versatile in its functionality, capable of engraving on materials such as paper, cardboard, fabric, felt, leather, and wood. The fifth, Tutrees TTS55 Pro, features advanced laser technology with the latest LD, FAC, and C-lens compression spot technology. It has a fixed focus with a short focal length of 23 mm, which gives it a stronger ability to engrave and cut compared to long focus lasers. The device boasts a high engraving accuracy of 0.1 mm, with a laser power of 5,500 milliwatts and an overall machine output of 40 watts. It is equipped with a 32-bit dual-core MCU motherboard that allows for faster processing, achieving engraving speeds of up to 10,000 mm per minute. Users can choose between online engraving or offline engraving via a TF card, providing flexibility in how projects are managed. The TTS55 Pro is compatible with a wide range of engraving software. It supports free software such as Laser GRBL for Windows, paid software like Lightburn for both Windows and Mac, and a mobile application called MKS Laser for Android and iOS, which can be easily downloaded from app stores. This broad compatibility makes it accessible and easy to use across different operating systems. In terms of capability, this laser engraver can handle various materials, including wood, plastic, paper, leather, bamboo, sponge paper, alumina, stainless steel, chevron board, and acrylic. It is also capable of cutting up to 5 mm plywood, 3 mm acrylic, 3 mm carton, and 0.7 mm leather. And now that we have described each product, let's see for which case each one is a good option.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any new release.
Creality Laser Falcon. This engraver offers powerful cutting with a 10-watt laser and high speeds, making it versatile and easy to use. However, as a Class 3A laser, it requires extra safety precautions, especially for eye protection. I give it 4/5 stars. Longer Ray 5. With a strong 20,000 milliwatt laser, this machine can cut thick materials and is user-friendly with multiple connection options. Its commercial focus might be overwhelming for casual users. I give it 4 stars. Creality Laser Falcon 2. The Falcon 2 delivers high-speed engraving with a powerful 22-watt laser and smooth results thanks to integrated air assist. Its Class 4 rating, however, means stricter safety measures are necessary. I give it 5 stars. LaserPecker LP1 Pro. Compact and portable, the LP1 Pro is easy to set up and use on the go, perfect for smaller projects. Its lower power limits it to lighter materials, excluding metals and reflective surfaces. I give it 3/5 stars. Tutrees TTS55 Pro. The TTS55 Pro excels in precision and is compatible with various software, handling a range of materials. However, its added features can make setup complex for new users. I give it 4/5 stars. And that's it for the comparison of the top 5 laser engraver machine. See you in the next video. Goodbye.